Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to delete WhatsApp account. Maybe you have decided to switch to a new messaging platform or simply want to make a new account. So today I'm going to show you how to delete WhatsApp account. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open your WhatsApp application and log into your account. Once you are logged in, you will be taken to the main chat screen. In this page, tap on the three dots icon at the top right corner of the screen. From this menu, tap on Settings. In this Settings page, select Account. Here, you will find various options related to your account settings. Now, to delete your account, simply tap on this Delete My Account option. In this page, you will need to enter your phone number associated with the account. After providing your phone number, tap on this Delete My Account button. In this page, state the reason why you want to delete your account. For example, I will choose I am deleting my account temporarily. Below, you can elaborate your reason. Once you have stated your reason, tap on this Delete Account button again. A confirmation window will appear asking if you really want to proceed on deleting your account. Tap on this Delete Account button to confirm. After that, WhatsApp will now delete your account along with all your messages, media, and other account information. Your contacts will no longer see you on their list and you will be removed from all WhatsApp groups. There you go. If you wanted to know how to delete WhatsApp account, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to delete WhatsApp account, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.